Got my new springs in for the truck today, as you can see. Other ones are a little stiff. Forgot to deduct the unsprung weight when I ordered them off the rear axle weight. So hopefully these will lighten it up a little bit more. I tried to figure out for how much weight I was going to have, and because I didn't have the ice tank back here yet. I had the fuel cell already, and I already had the battery back here. Pump didn't really add too much weight, and then I got the air compressor back there I was starting to add, but I found out it's all burnt up, so not that it's going to add a whole lot of weight anyways, but I'm going from 200, like 12-inch spring to 150s. So yeah, 12 150s. So still have to do some tuning on the truck as well and get it to leave decent. That way I can actually give a good comparison as to what it has and what it did before. So best before was like a it was a 205 on the draggy. It was the best I was able to get. I think I got like maybe a 196 or something at the track. Nothing spectacular. It was just a cam 5.3 at the time, so. But he approves. Well, I got him in. Passenger side kicked my butt a little bit because it dropped about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. So had a little trouble trying to get it back in there. Had to drop it back on the ground and put a little bit more weight to be able to meet up with the bottom eyelet. But still gotta go in here. Gotta play with the bar angles a little bit. So this is I forget which competition engineering. It's not I think it's like the mid-range, not the cheapest, not the most expensive, but it's built for a back half car. So my buddy Jake built a cross member to mount the mounts to get the right geometry on it. It's a pretty nice job. Pretty happy with it. Boxed in the frame up there. Boxed in the frame back here. I think it's at like 73% anti-squat right now. I'm gonna try messing with it. Add a little bit more between it, these lighter springs, and messing with the launch a little bit. Hopefully I can start getting some decent 60 foots. See it. That cross member's getting ready to go away. It's a cut up, modified, factory junk stamp metal one. So I got one from Summit on the way, along with the new radiator. It should be getting here soon, so hopefully be able to get that in. I got 2 little small oil leaks up there. Some of it's transmission fluid. I think it's either from spilling or maybe I overfilled it a little bit. I know I spilled it on the floor. I think I got a small leak on the turbo feed and a small leak on the turbo drain. Waiting on the exhaust flange for the downpipe for my True North S485 to get in so I can swap out the Garrett. Super excited to get that on there. That S485's got a 91 millimeter exhaust wheel. That old 88 millimeter Garrett has like a 111 millimeter, so spool up way better. Getting excited. So, but got springs installed. Nothing fancy, just some competition engineering for now. Just kind of trying to do it on a budget because I had the D-stroke 6-liter built, and then right after that had all this done, so just trying to get it all knocked out before coming out to Hawaii. But that's it for now. Hopefully get some more updates after the radiator get in.